Ricketts. Sent back in. Plenty of sky blue shirts back there for Paul Vale, isn't there? Oh, and it's somehow hacked away to safety. Sacco. Whenever he's on the ball, something seems to happen for Wolves. Oh, deflection and in! The breakthrough. Courtesy of Bakary Sacco. 52 minutes, big, handsome deflection. So put the ball out to this right side. Ricketts. And that's Sticko, and he scored! 73 minutes, that could just be that for Wolves. Sticko is on his own at the moment. Oh, brilliantly done from Dicko. Oh, what a goal! 2 in 2 minutes for Dicko. His 5th goal in 7 games. And he's on a hat-trick. Pressure this, being cranked up by Paul Vale. Cries of shooting, the shot does come in and Akeme gets right behind that. Henry. Oh, down he goes. They want a penalty and they're going to get it, Wolves. It's Dicko for the hat-trick, and it's denied by Neil. Dicko again. And Dicko fails to complete his hat-trick. "52 minutes, big, handsome deflection. So put the ball out to this right side. Ricketts. And that's Sticko, and he scored! Somehow hacked away to safety. Sacco. Whenever he's on the ball, something seems to happen for Wolves. Oh, deflection and in! The breakthrough. Courtesy of Bakary Sacco. Got the heads. Sent back in. Plenty of sky blue shirts back there for Paul Vale, isn't there? Oh, and it's 73 minutes. That could just be that for Wolves. Dicko is on his own at the moment. Oh, brilliantly done from Dicko. Oh, what a goal! 2 in 2 minutes for Dicko. His 5th goal in 7 games. And he's on a hat-trick. Pressure this, being cranked up by Paul Vale.